Breaking news that's coming in at this time, a mega exclusive of the Times Network. Big details from the incident of the house firing, the Salman Khan's house, the firing at Salman Khan's house. There's stunning revelations that have been accessed by the Times Network through the chart sheet. The chart sheet has been accessed by the Times Network. In fact, Bishnoi gang's brief to the shooter, that's the details that we really have. He was told to scare Salman Khan. In fact, the quote really is, "Scare Bhai." And Bhaiji will be very happy. Smoke cigarettes to look fearless. Don't wear your helmet. Don't worry, it's a bailable offense, is what the chart sheet has stated. You are going to be scripting history, is what the Bishnoi ringleader literally had told the shooter in this particular case. And that planning is a key, and you must plan this particular attack well. There was a modus operandi that was completely chalked out. Don't be scared. God will take care of everything, was the pep talk by the Bishnoi gang to the attacker. And I'm being joined by my colleague Shweta at this point. Shweta, you've accessed this chart sheet, huge exclusive by the Times Network. Details in the chart sheet of what the mega operandi, the whole plan of action really was in this particular case. How there was a pep talk which was given to the shooter, and not just a pep talk. The Bishnoi gang leader went on to actually tell the attacker of what to do, what not to do, to look fearless, to attempt and plan the entire attack. Very, very clear.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, we have accessed exclusively the chart sheet copy. In fact, let me quickly tell you the points which have been mentioned. There has been clear instruction given by Anmol Bishnoi to Vicky Gupta. Vicky Gupta is accused as well as the suspect shooter in the case. Here he is telling how to look fearless, the kind of body language you should display, how you should be keep on keep on smoking cigarettes, do not wear your helmets. These are some of the points that were mentioned by Anmol Bishnoi. Remember, there was a 9 minutes crucial audio call that was done, and the transcription is given in the chart sheet which we have exclusively accessed. Point number 2, how it was stated that this is going to be a bailable offense because you are shooting, opening fire in the air, and it is just the very motive is to scare Bhai. Bhai refers to Mr. Salman Khan. Bhaiji is Lawrence Bishnoi. Post this, he is also trying to encourage Gupta by stating that this will be all managed by God. You are just ready to script history and everybody will be remembering it. Post this, he has also given instruction that how and what are the mode of transport you have to take, and the kind of statement that was recorded from the accused Vicky Gupta narrates what actually transpired on Sunday 14th of April. Here in morning around 4:30 a.m. to 5 a.m. between the period, Vicky Gupta on the bike, he in fact did one time Reiki and post that he had opened fire outside Galaxy apartment. After this, he had parked the bike 1 kilometer away from Galaxy apartment, got into an auto, he reached to Santa Cruz station. From there, he did another taxi to reach Gujarat border. While reaching Vapi, he had video called Anmol Bishnoi. Very significant news that is coming from the chart sheet, the crucial points. After video calling Anmol Bishnoi, he was instructed, in fact, to throw away all the arms he has in his possession. So he had to throw his mobile phone, the 2 pistol, the remaining bullets, everything in the river, and more. After that, he had made his transit to Surat. But very clearly, it's been seen that how well this was planned. And the Reiki was done, in fact, several times, not just at Galaxy apartment, but also in Palmir farmhouse of Mr. Salman Khan. The very motive was to scare Mr. Salman Khan, to intimidate him, so that the kind of fear of Bishnoi gang prevails not just in North India but also in Mumbai. And this was a kind of motivational as well as encouraging words that were put into the ears of Vicky Gupta, who was about to commit this crime, and it was said that you are going to in fact script history. So very clearly, the charge sheet of 1,735 pages, crucial details, in fact, massive revelation have come to fore, where it was the clear planning of Bishnoi gang for this kind of attack. Back to you.
In fact, Shweta, these were initially the allegations also that had emerged. There were also statements by Salman Khan himself. There were also police sources that had confirmed this in a way. But now the charge sheet makes it absolutely clear. Now, there have been reports about how Salman Khan has been the target of the Bishnoi gang as well. Do we have any understanding of how is the police now looking at this? Is the security a concern? Because Salman Khan just recently has said this, that he has been on the radar of the Bishnoi gang.
Well, absolutely. Two things to understand here. First, we see that Salman Khan has already been given the high security. He's been secured by Y+ security. And here what we also see is that this act was just to intimidate him. While his statement was recorded, he narrated the entire incident from his perspective, that what actually happened on 14th of April on Sunday. He said that he heard cracker-like sound and posed that it was just informed by some people that there was some firing which was done in open air. And after that, Salman Khan also stated in his statement saying that this is risking my life as well as my family's life. Post which we have also seen that several police units were involved. It's not just Mumbai police. We have seen even Panvel unit was also involved. Crime branch was involved. And bit by bit, they collected all the information. The charge sheet was filed. In fact, very recently, in fact, 22nd of July, the court had taken the cognizance of it, where the charge sheet was filed before the special Makoka court. Here, the judge has also observed that there are enough substantial evidence against the accused, and hence the charge sheet was disposed of in the sense that it was already taken the cognizance of. Now, as they are in judicial custody, the investigation is still moving further to collect more inputs, that what was the exact motive and what were the other planning which was done by Anmol Bishnoi and gang. So very clearly it shows that what like meticulous planning, in fact I can say, was done before before committing this act. Back to you.
Shweta, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Big revelations accessed by the Times Network from the charge sheet that has been filed at this point. My colleague Shweta bringing us all the details as well.